welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to talk about our Ulta Beauty's Skin-Fatuation trend for the month of August, which focuses on acne or blemish prone skin. So if you guys are new, welcome. My name is Dani, and every month we have been hosting a video for Ulta Beauty where we talk about a skincare trend. Y'all know that your makeup isn't gonna look as fly as heck or as nice as it can if the foundation that we're building on isn't well taken care of, right? So what we've been doing is every month we focus on one trend for our skin, and Ulta picks its favorite products and I present them to you. Now, not only is this video exciting to do because we're talking about skin, which is super important, but it's also a secret giveaway. I guess I shouldn't say secret because I just announced it in this video. Surprise! So anyway, we've talked about, oh, you want to say hello? Okay, come here. You want to show everyone your new haircut? Say, I got my summer haircut. This is my summer care, and I use some of these acne products. Say hi to everybody. Are you investigating? What's going on? Do you want to say hi? This is Sophia. Sophia, say hi to everybody. Say, my name is Sophia Renata, and I'm a schnoodle, and I like to be in my mommy's intros and outros. Yeah. If y'all like schnoodles, just watch my intros and outros because she's probably in it. So previous trends that we've covered have been cleansers, sheet masks, or just masks in general. We have been really digging deep into trends that involve all types of skincare, like sun protection. Every month is a giveaway. So last month for July, our giveaway winner was Jennifer in Fort Worth, which is like down the street from my house. I should deliver it personally. Would that be weird? I have hand delivered giveaway prizes before. It's true. It was a simple human mirror, and I was like, you live really close, and I don't want to, you know, run the risk of shipping it and then having something. Can I deliver it to you personally? Is that weird? It's a little weird, right? Anyway, back on track, squirrel. Back on track. The trend for this month is acne prone skin or blemish prone skin. So we're going to talk about Ulta Beauty's recommendation or products that they like for the care of skin that has, you know, a little bit of struggle with blemishes. Now these products are cool because unlike previous videos where it was all moisturizers or all masks, these are a combination of products. We're going to talk about toner, we're going to talk about cleanser, we're going to talk about a spot treatment. So it's a lot more exciting because we have a variety of types of products, not just products that fit within the category and are the same type. Does that make sense? Can I say type one more time? All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the very first product is from Proactive, and this is a brand that is not a mystery for anyone. Do you guys remember those commercials on TV? My mom bought those products for my brother and I when we were in our teens. But this is the Step 2 or the Revitalizing Toner. I use this myself personally on my back. I've shared with you guys my embarrassing, you guys, if you were to say, what is my #1 insecurity in terms of physical, like my physical appearance, it would be my back. I struggle with back knee. I hate that word. And so I use a toner and a aftercare product to take care of my back. So this is a toner that I've been using for the last 2 months. And the #1 reason why I like this toner, not only does it balance oils, not only does it cleanse skin, it keeps your pores from clogging, but the best thing about it is that it doesn't dry out your skin. How many of you guys have used an acne or blemish type toner that just it feels like it just dries out your skin and you start to peel? And it's a horrible feeling when your skin is dried out or it feels like it's not hydrated enough or it's just not, like it hasn't drank any water. You know that feeling that you get, but on your skin, it doesn't do that. It feels hydrating, it moisturizes, it feels like a hydrating toner that also has acne care in it, which I can really appreciate. So a toner is actually really important because it does help balance the pH on your skin. And one of the perks of this toner in particular is that it also exfoliates. So if a product can exfoliate and also make sure that your skin remains feeling hydrated, it's a really big bonus and combination for a product. The next product is from Philosophy, which you guys know I am a huge fan. Philosophy Purity Made Simple is my #1 cleanser. I use it on my face. It removes all makeup. It's in my empties every single quarter. A product that I just added to the mix, and again, it's for my back, is the Clear Days Ahead. These products aren't designated for specific areas of the skin. It's basically for acne prone skin. So I took it upon myself to use these where I struggle with, you know, so they're ideally they're for your face, but you can also, I mean, if you're like me and you're like trying to get creative, use products, have products work for you, not you work for the products. You know what I mean? So the Clear Days Ahead cleanser from Philosophy is a cleanser that's an acne treatment with salicylic acid. I'm not a fan of benzoyl peroxide in my acne treatments because they bleach all my clothes, my sheets, my towels, everything, and I feel like it's just a nightmare. Salicylic acid is just as effective, but it's very gentle. So with this cleanser, I've been using it with like an exfoliating loofah, you know, the ones that you do that little shimmy dance with in the shower. And again, it cleans my skin. It leaves it feeling really clean, helps unclog pores, but it doesn't leave it feeling dried out. My skin doesn't peel, it doesn't feel parched or dehydrated. You wanna know one of my secret favorite things about this cleanser? It smells like orange. I gave it a whiff. I'm kind of happy that I have a second one of these because I actually just finished my first bottle and I put it in my empties bin. So you'll see me talk about this in the next few months. Okay, the next product is probably the heavy hitter in this entire collection. This is from the brand La Roche-Posay, which you guys know my favorite sunscreen or facial sunscreen is from this brand. If anyone does skincare in just such an amazing, effective way, it's La Roche-Posay. Now, this product is the Effaclar Matte Daily Moisturizer for Oily Skin. This is specifically targeted for those of you that have the extremely oily skin, the very large pores, those of you that really want to focus on mattifying your skin. You struggle with oil, you struggle with pores, and you're just like, I need to get it on lock. I need to get under control. This is a moisturizer for your skin that has zinc podolate, so it's going to help mattify your skin. This product in particular has cellulase technology that's going to tighten pores. So the way that it's formulated, it's going to be a dual target product, which will not only mattify the skin, but will also help tighten your pores. Now, I don't know if it's going to shrink pore size. I'm sure it's one of those products that you want to use a prolonged period of time so that you can actually notice a difference in your skin. But it does help mattify your skin without making it look dried out. So it's going to be one of those products that is comfortable. I think when it comes down to acne care or products that focus on blemish prone skin, they tend to be a little aggressive. And so it's one of those things where you have to try many different products until you find the ones that work for you. And drying out your skin is not necessarily the right answer. I feel like maybe we automatically think that, oh, it's an acne care product, so it's gonna dry out my skin. But it can do it in a way where it's gentle or it's gradual, and it's still going to help target those areas that you have trouble with without making you feel uncomfortable. The next product is from Murad, and you probably are not a stranger to hearing me talk about this brand in my personal videos and in my videos that I do in partnership with Ulta Beauty. Murad is a really great brand that makes skincare very easy to understand. So they have their skincare divided into categories or needs or, you know, targeted areas, whether it's anti-aging, whether it's environmental care, whether it's acne prone skin. So their line that is focused on blemish prone skin is their blue line. I think it's called Acne Control. Yeah, it's on the package. It's the Acne Control. This is a 1% salicylic acid. So it has a combination of 5 clinically proven acids that are going to help control any type of blemishes, whether they are acne, blackheads, whiteheads. Within a week, you're going to notice a difference. This is one of those products that's not a toner, it's not a cleanser, and it's not a moisturizer. It's kind of an in-between step. It's a 1% salicylic acid, so it's going to be just aggressive enough so you notice a difference, but also gentle enough where you could use it every day, twice a day. So you would use this in place of like a serum. You would cleanse your face, you would go in with the Acne Control Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment, the 1% salicylic acid. You would apply that, let it soak in, and then go in with either your SPF or your night cream or your overnight treatment. So this is gonna be your in-between step. So think about this as like your targeted serum. All of us have our serum that focuses on one thing. Like my daytime serum is a vitamin C serum. So if you have skin where you're dealing with blackheads, whiteheads, or just an overall blemish prone skin, this is gonna be your serum that targets that area of need. Now, we are moving on to a product from Biore. I have seen charcoal products everywhere. I think it's become a very popular trend. Like, charcoal's been popular for a while. I use activated charcoal to brush my teeth. It's how I keep them as white as I can. Are they white? Just lie to me, guys. But I have seen a lot of products with charcoal now. When I saw this product, I was like, that's very different looking. This is the Biore all-in-one charcoal cleansing micellar water. So it's a black micellar water. Have you guys ever drank black lemonade? Yeah, just think about that for a second. So they sell, it's like drinking green juice. Like, it's on that sort of concept, but it's lemonade that's infused with charcoal, and it's black, and you drink it, you're just drinking black water. It tastes so good, and it's actually really, really good for you. So when I saw this, I wasn't creeped out. I was very intrigued. I was like, black micellar water? Don't mind if I do. So this product is targeted for people with oily skin, for those that are struggling with blemish-prone skin, but also have oily skin. So this product will remove all your makeup. It will clean your skin. It's a rinse-free formula. So it's kind of one of those products that you want to have on your vanity that's going to do all of it at once, especially if you're someone that likes to be efficient, that just doesn't have that much time to mess around with too much fancy skincare. This is going to be your product that removes makeup, that cleanses your skin, and just leaves your skin feeling overall refreshed and no need to rinse. I like to be efficient with all things in life, but I actually look forward to like many steps with makeup, many steps with skincare. It's like my makeup yoga. We've talked about it before, but if you're like, Dani, ain't nobody got time for that. I got you, girl. You gotta check this one out. And the last one is probably gonna be your favorite, because even if you don't suffer with blemish-prone skin or acne-prone skin, you're gonna get a breakout. It's either gonna be a specific time of the month, you're gonna be stressed out, you just dumped your boyfriend, or I don't know, you quit carbs. And so it's one of that time where you're just gonna get that stressful breakout. You need one of these puppies in your life, a spot treatment. Everyone has a spot treatment. If you don't, you need to go buy one. Spot treatments save your life. So basically a spot treatment is something that is targeted to one particular area. It's a product that you just put on a spot, right? This is actually a rollerball applicator, and it's a product from the brand Ulta Beauty. And what it does is it's going to target the one area where you have the blemish. So the way you want to use the spot treatment is you have your blemish, you're going to go in with the product. Sometimes it's one of those that you dip in a Q-tip, depending on the brand. This is a very convenient rollerball, so you could carry it in your purse. You apply it to the one spot that you have, and you let it soak in. You leave it alone, you don't rub it in, you don't massage it, you don't do anything. Most of the most effective or the best functioning ones, the ones that are actually going to make a difference, the ones that are actually going to work, guys, they have some sort of combination of tea tree oil and salicylic acid. This one from Ulta has both. So it is called the Smart Skincare Solutions Complexion Rollerball with tea tree oil. The best time to use a spot treatment is right before bed, because you could go ham sandwich on that entire area and then go to sleep and forget about it. This one's really cool. It doesn't have a greasy, sticky feeling to it. You know, it smells like tea tree oil, which I don't mind at all. It gets absorbed really quickly, you can tell, and it actually works. So this is one of those cool products, like maybe you have like a teen son or daughter that are starting to get the breakouts and they're feeling really insecure about it. This is something that makes you feel confident, but it also empowers you because you feel like you're taking back control of your skincare, especially when it yields results. The best part about a product that comes with tea tree oil is not only is it effective at drying out the blemish, but it's also very soothing and calming on the skin. So there is nothing worse than when you have a painful breakout, because that transcends and transpires into like the rest of your day. You're like cranky because you think everyone's looking at that one blemish that no one notices, but it's painful and you feel it and it's throbbing. Okay, this is getting very personal. Anyway, that's it for this video. Those are all the Skin-Fatuation products for the month of August. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like all the videos that we've done before, there will be 2 links in the description box below. The first one is going to be a link that has all of these products on the Ulta website, and you can find more information on these products. So if you want to just click add to cart, or you have 5 times points because your diamond didn't have an issue with shopping too much at Ulta, my friend. And so you can go to that link, click on it, find out more about these products, you know, add this rollerball to your shopping list for you and your teen daughter. And thank me later. There's also going to be another link in the description box below that is going to be the link that's going to facilitate you to enter this giveaway. So if you want to win all of these products, and this is kind of exciting because this is the first, no, maybe the second giveaway where you could potentially use all the products, because it's a variety of types of products. You're gonna have your cleanser, your toner, your serum, your moisturizer. I mean, you're all taken care of here. So if you guys are struggling with blemish prone skin, I got you, girl. There's gonna be a link there. Click on it, click, enter your Instagram, all that stuff, and you will get several entries depending on all the steps that you take. Thank you guys for jumping through those hoops. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you guys want to see all the other Skin-Fatuation videos that we have already discussed, I will also leave a playlist in the description box below where you can go through all the months that we've already talked about. But other than that, I think that's it, y'all. I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.